I didn't know how to code, no development background, no technical training, but I still built automated systems using AI. Here's how that actually happened. When I started building these systems, I hit a wall. I needed automation. I needed scripts, but I didn't know how to build any of it. And that's where most people stop. Instead of trying to learn everything from scratch, I used AI as my teacher. Not just to give answers, but to guide me step by step. Here's what that looked like. I would describe what I wanted to build. I used ChatGPT to give me a prompt and outline, then put it into Claude to generate code. I would test it, and it would break. Then I'd go back, refine, and ask better questions to fix it, over and over again. That process, trial and error, testing and fixing, learning, as I built, is what actually taught me how to code. Not courses, not theory, real problems. And it wasn't smooth. Things didn't work. Scripts broke, outputs were messy, but every time something failed, I understood a little more. And over time, I went from not knowing how to code at all to building pipelines, automation, and systems that actually run this entire ecosystem. Here's what I learned. AI doesn't replace learning. It accelerates it. You don't need to start as an expert. You just need to start building. Because now, if I need something built, I don't wait. I figure it out with AI. In the next videos, I'll expand on how these systems actually work, from automation to content pipelines to scaling everything. So if you've been thinking about building with AI, this is a great place to start. Be sure to like and subscribe. Check out the links below.